Hi! Hello world! Gigi Hadid enjoy a quiet afternoon in New York City as boyfriend Bradley Cooper got to work. The actor is soft launching his new cheesy steak restaurant, Danny and Coops, this weekend. Gigi Hadid is supporting Bradley Cooper's latest business venture. On Friday, December 20, the 29-year-old model paid a visit to 49-year-old A Star is Born actor, new eatery Danny and Coop's Cheesy Steak in New York City for a bite to eat and encourage fans to check it out. Soft opened today through Sunday, Gigi wrote on her Instagram story. Saturday and Sunday open at noon till daily ingredients last. Do yourself a favor, she added. Gigi also shared the location address at 151 Avenue A, New York 10009. Last December, Bradley first debuted Danny and Coops as a food truck concept and was seen making the cheesy steak in the truck alongside restaurante Danny Giampietro. At the time, Gigi and Bradley ex-girlfriend Irina Shayk, with whom he shared 7-year-old daughter Leia, both stopped by to support the food truck. Thank you, Backgrid and Just Jared. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.